Today I will explain how to obtain free API keys, which are digital passwords for software, for your coding projects. Let's start. Let's start by examining NVIDIA. NVIDIA offers free access to elite models and API keys, which are digital connection codes. Within the Model tab, your AI selection menu, you can choose between Nemotron 3, OpenFold, Qwen 30 billion, DeepSeek V3, Kimi K2, and newer releases like Mistral. First, click Get API Key, your unique access code. Then, Generate Key. After the output is ready, copy it into your workspace. Navigate to the Models section, the AI engines, and choose one to get a code snippet, which is a reusable programming block. I am selecting Kimi K2 for this demonstration. Find the button that says View Code. Find the button to generate your unique API key. Selecting this button generates a snippet for instant integration, allowing you to access NVIDIA's interface immediately, which finishes this specific section. Remove any inactive keys, which grant software access. Then let's move forward to discuss Grok. Grok's playground environment delivers remarkably fast processing speeds. In this section, you can chat with models or AI programs like Llama. First, click the API Key button to generate your unique access code. Click Create API Key, a unique identification code, and label it. Once verified, click Submit to generate your free API key and access code. Then copy it for your project. Simply click the Delete button whenever you need to remove this item later. Visit the dashboard, your control panel, to track usage. This dashboard monitors your quotas, performance, event history, and jobs. Now let's explore GitHub Models, an AI sandbox. GitHub now provides powerful AI models, like OpenAI's suite at zero cost. Under this free plan, remember that rate limits restrict how often you request data. Connect to OpenAI, Mistral, DeepSeek, and other models. To obtain the license key or digital code, simply click on that specific product's model card. Select Use this model in the top right corner. Next, click Create Personal Access Token. Navigate lower to locate the Generate Token button. This generates the access token, a digital key for your script. Simply follow these same steps to create another unit. Press Generate to create, name it, then Finish. Press Generate Token once more to finish. Click Delete to revoke these tokens, or digital keys, and we are done with GitHub. Next, let's analyze Google's interface. Google AI Studio provides many models, or AI tools, including vision and video. Open the dashboard and click the Create API Key button. Start by associating this resource with an active Google Cloud project. While I have an existing file, I'll start fresh for this demonstration by clicking Create Project. After finishing your configuration, click Create Key to generate an API key, essentially a digital password for accessing Google's services. Duplicate this snippet and embed it in your project. Removing this unique key is just as simple if necessary. Remember, Google provides various AI models, including Gemini 2.5 Pro, Nano, and Flash, alongside Imagen for generating images and Veo for creating video. Examine these options before we move on to explore the OpenRouter interface. OpenRouter acts as a hub to access and rank various LLMs. Notice the AI models from Anthropic and xAI's Grok listed here. Every provider is listed, including OpenAI and Gemini. Notice how the system organizes models by data types, called modalities. Easily identify the most effective model for any specific domain. Navigate to the OpenRouter dashboard to retrieve your key. From the main dashboard, select Get API Key. Then click Create and assign a label for your new credentials. You may optionally set a spending threshold or maximum limit, then simply proceed to generate your card. This API key, a unique access code, manages several models and is just as easy to remove. We'll conclude by exploring Cloudflare Workers AI. They host Llama, providing text-to-speech for audio, summarization, embeddings for data, generation, and object detection for images. Choose from many serverless models that run on demand. Next, visit the Use API page to find your unique key, a digital password. Then simply copy and paste that necessary code. If this method is not ideal, try another suggested service, concluding our lesson on the Cloudflare platform. To conclude, I'll point you toward a primary repository that lists every free LLM API resource available for your use. This repository, a digital storage space, contains both free and trial-based software. I have listed every link below so you can find them quite easily. I appreciate you joining me. I look forward to our next lesson, so have a wonderful day.